Welcome back to Initial Speed. Today, those pesky wiper blades. Let's change them. So in my case, actually, you know what? Why don't I just show you? So these wiper arms, as you can see, this is on the 2012 Jetta. But as I'm going to show you, see, you've got the big housing on here. So to remove this is a bit of a pain in the butt. I actually just broke the other one because it was getting frustrating. So I broke the housing off, and then you go through the adapters that you have. You get the right one for your application, and then you just put everything back together. Now you do have to take the wiper blade, or the housing that sits on the wiper blade, apart on the new one. So let me just show you how to put the vehicle in service mode and how to change that wiper arm. To get this vehicle in service position, you put the key in, put it to accessory, turn it off, and push and hold your wiper stalk back here, and your wipers should go up into the service position. So you want to make sure you have a rag to put under the arm once you've taken the housing off. Again, I just broke mine off. I'm sure there's a less violent way of doing it, but that is the way I did it. And this one is a bit of a pain as well. So, break it off is what I'm going to do. This one's harder. Okay. And the rest of it, seeing how, I'm destroying it, I really don't care if this thing is good or bad. So, just break it off. In the comments down below, anyone know how these ones come off? Okay. Broken off. So now, in the comments, let me know, how does that one come out? No idea. And they're not going, that style is not going back on.